Diamondback 9mm. $249 and 10% off. There you go. You want to see what's gonna get you?
Daddy's gonna get a piece of it.
You gonna shoot me with that?
Pretty much.
So you and my baby shopping for a gun to shoot me with? Really?
And mommy's gonna bury you.
I'm shopping for a gun to make people stop fucking with me in my life.
Mm.
And mommy said he won't suit Kylie's mom or Kylie's dad. Barnes Barnes'
Because I
mom.
didn't say it, I don't want to play games, but yet games keep being played.
Mommy won't suit any of my friends.
Your mama crazy.
Not really.
Mommy's only gonna suit you.
Not really.
And mommy,
You crazy for keep fucking with me.
mommy, if
That's what's crazy.
Kylie comes here, what you don't suit her? You won't suit her?
Good night, princess.
Go on with a light on it.
Good night, princess.
Mommy, go help me spell YouTube.
Hi, I'm Rowan Blanchard from Girl Meets World, and you're watching Disney
That's
Channel.
it. Diamondback 9mm.
Can't believe I'm doing this. Yay!
Daddy, go spell type YouTube for me.
60s, man.
Since mommy like typing up stuff, maybe mommy ought to do it for you.
Mommy always do it for
Sing it
me.
like prophets.
Oh, you ain't doing it now?
Mommy always give me kisses, not Daddy.
I always give you kisses.
But only Sundays.
It's not your fault, Dad.
Your mommy trying to give daddy a kiss with a gun. I don't think that's nice.
I'm talking about the 60s, man.
Daddy should stop playing with mommy.
I ain't fucking with you.
Yeah, you lied, didn't you?
About what?
It was over 50
I'm on my
years
way
ago.
in 10 minutes. I'm
How
stopping
old
to
do
get a
you
money
guys think
order.
I am? There's no right answer to
Is that what you
this,
said? When you picked up the phone, 11:45 midnight, you said,
Listen, Dad, you're doing a wonderful job up there, and we're very happy that you
I
like
just
that.
got arrested. I just got out of jail. Well, what happened? I lost control of the car, slipped on ice patch. Well, where were you? Coming down Burnham, turning by Baba's.
I think I had grapes.
Okay. I parked in Wendy's.
Grapes, Dad.
I didn't say I parked it
They
in.
used to put the car in Wendy's, but the laws
You
changed.
make every day. Every time you decide
you
to
said.
turn left instead of right,
Now,
you make history.
the first lie,
You will
okay,
find someone else
to get out to the bar, but the second lie
I guarantee you, you guys
made no
will not
sense.
become the best person you can be.
Made no sense to even tell that lie at all.
All about
But see, they say, with a
opportunities.
tangled web we weave when we
History has
conspire
nothing
to
do with it,
deceive.
Wasn't it, Miss Hart?
Can't remember. It was like 5 minutes ago.
Fine.
So you gonna sue me because I went to a bar and not Baba's?
No, no, no.
Guys about the 60s.
I'm gonna shoot you because you keep playing with some bitch. And you think I want to play with you in the bitch.
History
And I don't.
is alive, even if you weren't, but now you're gonna be. You will visit the 1960s.
What bitch are you
and
talking
give a
about?
report.
Because there was no bitch.
Okay.
How do we do that, Dad?
I guess we're not strong enough to move that rock, huh, Pig?
Yep. Seems our muscles need more giddy up to.
Hope you don't get caught in a situation like you was that day and got a bitch in your face. You in that bitch going.
Who?
I don't know what the fuck it was. I'm just not playing with people no more. I got time.
We don't want you to see you're a big, strong bear.
You wind up getting the fuck away from me at the end of the day.
Whatever. Ain't nobody playing. You just mentally deranged lunatic.
Okay. I'm glad you understand that.
How do you do? How do you do? I couldn't help noticing you two were struggling to move this big old
That means you should have no problem.
Really, really big and not very
The more you play games, the more bullshit you go
Looks like you
through.
could use some extra muscle. Lucky for you, I happen to along, yes, sirree. You see, I just happen to be selling